In this finished piece of art, the binder medium and collage has played an integral role. Firstly, the canvas was collaged with this old aging piece of music that had been printed with a silhouette print. The different natural elements, old leaves, have been placed with the binder, and you can see in these really big ones, this one had to be flattened down. This one was flattened down with only the shrink wrap, but when we move over here, this actual piece of branch and leaves needed to be weighted overnight, so they were placed with the binder, covered in shrink wrap, and then weighted down with the book overnight. And you can see it is completely dried so that there is absolutely no remnant of the mediums that were used. This figure here is from a photograph, so I want to talk about photo transfer and the use of binder in photo transfer. This figure was photo transferred and completed the whole painting. In photo transfer, of course, we take a photograph, copy of a photograph, and we transfer it. You can use either your regular gel gloss, your heavy gel gloss, or your gel satin. After you have imprinted and placed the photograph, this is one that it's been imprinted into the gloss, the paper has been peeled away, but there's this cloudy residue. If you were to paint straight on to this cloudy residue, then this print would remain that cloudy, whereas both of this one is finished and this one has just been treated with the binder. Because if it's wet with water, see how that wakes up again and you get that lovely clarity? What the binder medium does is it gives us that clarity and then dries clear, so it retains that and completely eradicates that cloudiness. So you just cover your whole photo transfer with the binder medium, and you can see how beautifully black and white that's come up. And because of the nature and characteristic of the binder medium, that is going to remain that lovely heightened contrast in black and white, so that transfer now is ready for any application of paint or drawing media or however it's going to be used on the canvas. So that's on a piece of canvas. But you can see how beautifully black and white the binder medium has brought that photo transfer.